Hello everyone, how to tours back with another app review video, and in this video I am going to tell you about the app JackD, Gay Chat and Dating. Basically this app for gay people or boys only, but you can use it from around the world. So you can see the rating of the app 3.6 star out of 5 and 112k reviews. It means 112,000 people rate something about this app. On the size of the app 38 megabyte and 5 million plus already use this app or download this app. Okay, and we'll see some screenshot an app for all of us. So it's basically for gay people, more ways to connect. I'm interested, so the user friendly app. Okay, discover new people. So it's a really interface. You can chat, video call, audio call, and we'll see about this app. Get chat and match with over 15 million people in 200 cities and 180 countries. We are proud to be the largest dating app for QPOC. So here is some real connection you can read before. It's smarter, it's safer experience, verified profiles, video chat, match. So the app is released 2011. It's almost more than 10 years ago, and the rating we'll see some ratings and reviews. We'll see 5-star reviews. It's a great app, nice people, it's easy to use, and if you don't want someone following you, know when anyone, they are easy to get rid of. There is a variety of, you can set up your own profile, putting your own picture, easy to use. So this is really easy to navigate, and we'll see negative reviews. Jacket is a scam, you get a limit on block, and the big issue is the app intentionally shows people 15 or more miles away in the nearby section. I told support, and instead of fixing the issue, they deleted my profile. The good thing is that they gave the respond very quickly. Every review they give their solution. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's Noman, thank you for watching.